Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix CS2 error, like the game is not launching or running or there's issues. And the first thing you guys can do is open up Steam. From Steam what you're going to do is, well, the first thing you can do is you can forcefully close Steam, and this does fix a lot of the issues with like any game. It's not only CS2. And in order to do this, all you have to do is click Steam in the top left corner and you have to hit exit. Now this will basically like forcefully close Steam, and it's like a good reset type factor. And yeah, now the second method you guys can try doing is opening up Steam back again. It will update if there are any updates, and then once it is done updating, shouldn't take too long. There we go. Let's open. All right. All right. So the second method you guys can do is go to the library, and then from the library, what you can do is go to the library. From the library, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the games, like you're going to go to CS2, and then you're going to right click on CS2. Okay. Finally, there we go. Anyways, yeah, and we're going to go to library. From library, we're going to go to CS2, and we're going to right click on it. Since I don't have the game installed, I'm going to just talk you through it. You're going to go to properties. From properties, underneath general or underneath updates, it's going to be at install content, and then from install content, once you click on it, it should say verify content or verify game, and you're simply just going to click that. And that's also like a good reset method which you can do, and that will also just help fix the error as well. And yeah, and these are the things you guys can do for this game, and yeah, in order to fix CSGO not running. And yeah, that's basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.